Good morning, day 10, 7:53. Yep. Starting out at Trey Gap, like I did yesterday. Only this time we're going north to Dick's Creek Gap. 12.3 day. I think it's going to be very challenging. Took us an hour and a half to get up here from where we're staying. So we tried to get here about first light. We got a couple of 4,000 footers today and a whole bunch of other little things. Talk to you later. I'm climbing up Trey and I'm in the clouds. It's all foggy. Looks like a cold fall day, but actually it's quite warm and humid. I think the high's supposed to get in the 80s today. Here's the view going up Trey. Yeah. Nothing. I think it's going to be this way until the sun burns off this way. I do have a chance of thunderstorms today, so I'm trying to make some miles before they hit. First snake on the trail. This is north. I'm coming down Trey Mountain. Just a little garter snake. I think I'll stop here, have a little snack. There's a campsite right beyond this sign. Snake number 2, a black rat snake. Huh. He needs to move from the trail. Not venomous, just like that garter wasn't. Okay, goodbye. Oh, that's it, snake. Move off the trail. Good snake. Keep going. Keep going. Good snake. Keep it going. Good boy. You're almost there. I appreciate you getting off the trail. Okay, I'm going to see if I can't find exactly where he is, his head is, and go around him. We got a thunderstorm, and I'm headed up. There was a class of thunder. I went, this might not be wise. But I was able to get radar, and it looks like as soon as this part is over, I'll have some good climbing weather for a little while. So I'll probably stay put. I am just north of Adidas Gap. Made it through another thunderstorm. It's different than the other one that a few days ago, because the one through a few days ago was I was at a lower elevation. This was like, ugh. Just sounds like that lightning's really close. That thunder's really close. Okay, I'm going up Powell Mountain. It's the last mountain of the day. 3.6 miles to Dix Creek Gap, the destination. So up this mountain and on the other side is the destination. All right. I'm a mile and a half from my destination, and I hear thunder. Getting notifications on my phone. Today has been a challenging day. 12.3 miles, 3 mountains, lots of up and downs in between those mountains, 2 snakes, and hopefully just 1 thunderstorm. Okay. If I don't show a picture of the Dix Creek Gap sign, know that it's been raining and I can't take one. So if that's the case, I will see you all in the morning.
Hi there.